Creating lessons on the Voller Education platform enables you to focus on the subjects and skills that matter to you most, whether you're a student, a teacher, or anyone passionate about learning. You can build lessons and even entire courses in any of the humanities or social sciences subjects. Here's how you can get going on the platform, step by step. Whether you're a student or a teacher, it's easy to get started. First, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select My Page from the drop-down. If you're a teacher, you can also navigate to the Teacher Dashboard to build a lesson. Once you're on My Page or the Teacher Dashboard, click the button at the top that says Create a Lesson. On the Lesson Builder page, you'll start by choosing a lesson template. This tells the platform what kind of activity you want to create. You can select from a vocabulary activity or an activity based on a text or document you upload. Once you've selected a template, you'll see the basic fields you need to fill in. Each lesson must belong to a course. If you're a student, the courses can be selected from the My Lessons options. If you're a teacher, the courses are named as My Teacher's Lessons. Then give each lesson a unique, clear, and easily identifiable name. If the lesson is based on a text, you will be asked to select a primary and optional secondary focus for the lesson. The focus guides the AI in how to interact with the student and also tells it what to think about when setting and evaluating targets. As a rule, if your primary goal is to test understanding of facts, data and information, you should choose the knowledge and accuracy focus. If you wish the AI to push you to think more analytically about what you have read, select the argumentation and evidence focus. And if you are testing an ability to write creatively, use the creative and narrative expression focus. You can use more than one focus by assigning a secondary focus if you wish. Next, if it's a text-based activity, you've got to provide the text. You can copy-paste raw text or you can upload a docx Word document. You must have written the text yourself or have the permission to use it, and you must check the checkbox to confirm this. If you're creating a vocabulary activity, you'll be asked to enter your list of key words. There should be 10 vocabulary items per activity. Next comes your opportunity to give some extra prompt details to the AI. For example, if you wish only a certain section of the text to be assessed, explain which section. If you want a particular kind of vocabulary test, explain so. In this example, the instruction not to use a gap fill exercise, but instead to demand the accurate use of a vocabulary item in a sentence, will override the default method for testing vocabulary and replace it with a more challenging method. The final part of the process gives you a chance to upload your own thumbnail for the lesson if you're not happy with the default one. Then you must write a short description which anyone completing the lesson will be able to read. Give any special instructions and details about the lesson here. When you're happy with your inputs, just click Complete Lesson. Your lesson will now appear in the course library, ready for you or your students to explore. That's it. Build your own lessons, set your own goals, and let the AI help you and your students grow the right skills. Ready to get started? Head to My Page or the Teacher Dashboard now and click Create a Lesson.